This is the MT22DS2 from Portkeys.
You're watching CineD, supported by B&H and CVP.
Hey everybody, Graham Mailer-Sheldon here from CineD.com. Welcome back to NAB 2026. I'm joined by Emrys here at the Portkeys booth to talk about the brand new monitor behind me. What are we looking at over here?
This is our new 21.5 inch multi-screen monitor. So this one you're going to be able to actually have picture-in-picture with up to 3 signals on this. 1500 nits, so you'd have all your actual controls here for actually monitoring for histogram, color accuracy, all that. Yeah.
Very cool. What about number of SDI inputs? Does it have any outputs? Is there HDMI in? What about some of the sort of physical buttons?
You're gonna have one HDMI in, 2 SDI inputs as well, and then you're gonna have an HDMI pass-through that does cross convert as well for that signal too.
Great. And how am I powering this monitor?
So this monitor, you're going to be able to do AC power. You also have 2 V-mount battery mounts in the back where you can actually hot swap those as well.
Nice. And then I see some kind of dummy battery mounts or something on the back, for lack of a better word. What are those for?
Yeah, so those mounts are basically going to be power pass-through, so that if you have your transmitters, you can hook them directly up to the monitor to be a bit more clean. So say if you have like a DJI SDR or something like that, you can actually go straight into the Sony battery mount with this dummy battery, and that's going to power your transmitter basically right on the back of the system.
And this is a 1920 by 1080 display, right?
Yes. Yeah.
And then what about color accuracy? Is it fairly color accurate, ideally?
It does. It's going to come from the factory color calibrated too with Kalman calibration, I believe is the name of what we use for that. So, and you'll be able to actually look up that calibration on the website afterwards to know how it was calibrated from the factory.
And then in terms of multi-view, I mean, we're limited by the number of inputs we have, but how many cameras can we see? And then can we see horizontal and vertical?
So you're going to have 3 inputs on this, three camera signals. Again, you can do both horizontal and vertical on all 3 of those.
So, Emrys, what about the build quality? Is it fairly robust, dust-proof, moisture, anything like that? IP rated?
I don't know about IP rated, but this is going to be able to take a bang around the set pretty well. You've also got quite a lot of mounting points around the edge of it, so you can putting any extra kind of transmitter stuff on the monitor pretty easily.
What about price point and availability?
So price point on this is going to be $1,499, and I believe you can order on the website right now, and I believe we're about a month or 2 away from shipments.
Okay, Emrys, thank you very much for walking us around the brand new monitor from Portkeys. If you want more continuing coverage from NAB 2026, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks, everybody.